Where is Mom?
Giraffe.
Oh, my baby.
Giraffe.
Where is Mom?
Tiger.
Oh, my baby.
Tiger.
Where is Mom?
Zebra.
Oh, my baby.
Zebra.
Where is Mom?
Lion.
Oh, my baby.
Lion.
Where is Mom?
Rhinoceros.
This might sound like a weird question.
Oh, my baby.
Rhinoceros.
Where is Mom?
Bear.
Oh, my baby.
Bear.
Round ears and short tails.
Where is Mom?
Dog.
You're cured. Hallelujah.
Oh, my baby.
Dog.
Where is Mom?
Horse.
Oh, my baby.
Horse.
Where is Mom?
Elephant.
Oh, my baby.
Elephant.